People scrolling phones, forgetting things, messy desks, blank staring in class or work. Wait, do you ever open your phone to check one thing and suddenly you're deep into 20 tabs of random videos and 2 hours just vanished? Or maybe your brain feels like 15 browser tabs are open at once, all lagging. Yeah, that might not just be being lazy. That could be ADHD. And today, we're breaking down what it really means in 2025, not the outdated stuff you read online.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about mental health topics right now, ADHD, Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. But here's the thing, ADHD today doesn't always look like that kid who can't sit still in class. It's way more complex and way more common than people think.
What ADHD actually is. ADHD is a neurodevelopmental condition, meaning it's about how your brain is wired, not about being careless or lazy. It affects attention, impulse control, motivation, and sometimes emotions. There are 3 main types. 1, inattentive type. You struggle to focus, get distracted easily, forget things. 2, hyperactive, impulsive type. You're restless, talk a lot, act before thinking.
Number 3, combined type. A mix of both.
Okay, let's get real. ADHD doesn't just mean you can't focus. Sometimes it means you focus too much on the wrong thing. That's called hyperfocus. It's like your brain goes from 0 to 100. 1 minute, you can't even start a task. The next, you're deep diving into YouTube rabbit holes about space cats for 3 hours. People with ADHD often describe it like this. My brain is a Ferrari with bicycle brakes. Fast, powerful, but hard to control. How ADHD shows up in everyday life. You might not even realize how ADHD hides in your daily life. You procrastinate until the last minute, then do everything perfectly in panic mode. You forget messages, birthdays, or where you put your keys, again. You interrupt people mid-conversation without meaning to. You start new hobbies every week, but rarely finish them. Sound familiar? Yeah, you're not alone. In 2025, ADHD awareness is bigger than ever. TikTok, YouTube, and podcasts have made people realize, wait, maybe I'm not broken. My brain just works differently. But there's a catch. Social media has also romanticized ADHD. Some creators call it their superpower. Others self-diagnose after one 30-second video. The truth? ADHD can be both a challenge and a unique strength, depending on how you manage it. What causes ADHD? Scientists believe ADHD is caused by a mix of genetics, brain chemistry, and environment. It's not your fault. Research shows differences in dopamine levels, the brain chemical responsible for motivation and reward. That's why people with ADHD often struggle with boring tasks but thrive in high-pressure or exciting situations. It's not a lack of willpower, it's biology.
Now we talk about how ADHD is diagnosed and treated. If you think you might have ADHD, here's what you should do. Talk to a mental health professional, psychiatrist, psychologist, or neurologist. They'll use interviews, questionnaires, and behavior patterns to make a diagnosis. Treatment usually includes medication, like stimulants or non-stimulants, to balance brain chemicals. Therapy, especially CBT, to build focus and habits. Lifestyle adjustments like structured routines, sleep, and exercise. And no, you don't need medication forever. It's about what works best for you.
Does ADHD have strengths? Yes, there are many. People with ADHD are often creative, curious, and resilient. They seek connections others don't. They thrive under pressure, think outside the box, and bring energy to everything they do. Famous people like Simone Biles, Michael Phelps, and Will Smith have ADHD, and they're proof that a different brain can still win gold.
Thanks for watching. Take care of your brain. It's doing its best.